Beelink SEi13 Pro Review 2026. Watch this before you make a choice. For the best price, click the link in the description. If you're looking for an affordable and compact mini PC that won't compromise on performance, I'm guessing you might have heard of the Beelink SEi13 Pro. But what sets it apart from other devices on the market? Let's find out. But here's what surprised me when I started testing this device. Its incredibly small size didn't translate to a sacrifice in power. However, as we'll explore in more detail later, there are some notable trade-offs you should be aware of. Therefore, let's dive into the specifics and see if it's worth considering for your next mini PC purchase. The Beelink SEi13 Pro is powered by an Intel Core i5-11335G7 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD. This combination provides more than enough oomph for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and office work. But can it handle some more demanding applications? One thing I was initially concerned about was the device's cooling system, but I'm pleased to report that it performed admirably even during intense gaming sessions. Now you might be wondering how this compares to other mini PCs on the market. There are several options in a similar price range, so let's take a look at some of the key differences. For example, the Beelink SEi13 Pro has more ports than some of its competitors, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and an Ethernet port. However, it does lack Wi-Fi 6 support. But what about storage? Does this device come with enough internal storage for your needs? I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical at first when I saw the specifications, but after putting it through its paces, I'm impressed by its capabilities. One area where the Beelink SEi13 Pro excels is in its build quality. The metal casing feels solid and premium, giving you confidence that this device will withstand normal usage. Now let's talk about some of the potential downsides. As mentioned earlier, there are a few trade-offs to consider. But here's what I want to emphasize: despite some minor sacrifices, the Beelink SEi13 Pro still manages to deliver an impressive performance for its price point. However, if you're looking for a device with more advanced AI capabilities or 5G connectivity, this might not be the best choice. Therefore, it's essential to weigh your needs before making a decision. Before we conclude our review, let me summarize some of the key points. The Beelink SEi13 Pro offers an excellent balance between performance and price, with its compact size and impressive specs making it a solid contender in the mini PC market. But don't just take my word for it, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this device. Have you used the Beelink SEi13 Pro or have any questions about it? Share them in the comments below. As always, make sure to check out the link in the description for the best price and more information. That's all for today's review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.